What's up, guys? Welcome back to Provencher's Outdoor Adventures. We are out here on Sullivan's Island. It's been a while. My car broke down, so I didn't have any way of getting a kayak to the water, but we're good to go now. So we got some minnows, got Kenneth with me. We're gonna go catch some reds, trout, flounder, see what happens, so stay tuned. Check this out. All right, guys, hooked up. I got one. It's probably. Oh, it feels big. I think it's wrapped around a piling right now. Yeah. It's got me wrapped around something. I think it's got me wrapped around something. Oh, I think I got him out. Yep. Oh. He's trying to get back in. Yeah, I got him out. Haven't seen him yet. If it's a flounder, it's huge.
Maybe it's a ray.
I don't think so, because it's head shaking. He's trying to get back in there. Dang it. Yeah, I mean, that's fine. I'm pretty sure it's over. All right. You get it? Every time I get him out, he goes right back in. Oh, it's huge. Oh, that's a big red. He's got some shoulders on him. Yeah. Yeah. It's definitely over slot. Yeah, you can't horse it. As soon as they get hooked good, as soon as it gets hooked good, you just gotta let it go. I got him. Get this other rod in. Alright guys, look at that beast. Look at that. Wow. I'll get a quick measurement on him. Uh, 30, 32 and a half, 33. That's what it's all about, people. All right, let's get him unhooked. Look at that. Wow. I'll get a quick measurement. That's what it's all about, people. Alright, let's get him unhooked. Ready to go. Hey, don't lose your fish.
I'm gonna. That's one thing I'm good at. I need some fish grips. Have you got any? There we go. That's a pretty little fish.
Yeah. Probably 12 inches. And then eventually it hit it.
Right. Wow.
Oh, I got one. That's smaller, but it's. We might have a little school over here.
And my dog. My faithful dog. Well, you need minnows.
I got plenty of minnows.
I was gonna say, I got pretty big.
There you go. That's just a little guy. There, buddy. Got one. This one's got 3 spots on one side and 2 on the other. Three spots on that side, 2 on that side, little bluish tint on its tail. Not a bad little fish. that, boys and girls, that's gonna do it for today's video. We got 3 reds. I got that good red 33-inch, 2 small ones. Oh wait, never mind, I'm hooked up. We're not, oh, we broke off. Well, we're not leaving because I just broke off on a fish, and I can't leave on that note. So that's 2 broken off right here. So give me a minute. All right, well, maybe if I start filming my outro, I'll hook up again. But like I was trying to say earlier, 3 good reds, or 1 good red, 2 other reds. Kenneth also got a red, which was nice. But now under this dock right here, I've broken off twice. So I said earlier I didn't want to fish this dock because I don't know how I'm gonna get a fish out. But anyway, I ended up fishing it, and I've lost 2 reds under it now. But anyway, it was a good day to be back on the water. It's been a couple weeks, probably 3 weeks, maybe a month. But anyway, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this, make sure to like, subscribe, share with your friends, leave a comment. But thanks for watching, guys. See you later. Finished filming my outro. We're heading back to the boat. Kenneth's throwing a little voodoo shrimp and hooked up with a little trout. That's a good one. We're just talking and
talking about me.
talking about cars, and Kenneth caught a fish. It's a nice trout.
Not a bad little trout. About 16, 17.
It's only got to be 14.
I'll take it home. No, I won't.
Leave it for next time. That's a thick one.
Yeah, I'm taking a little picture. It's grunt, I love them. I love stepping trout.
That's a beautiful fish.
It really is.
I love their spots. Yeah. That is a keeper.
I'm gonna keep him.
That's the perks of having a pedal drive, is you can paddle and still fish, whereas I can't fish and paddle at the same time.
This thing is eat up those worms.
That voodoo shrimp.
Twice.
That's a good one.
I'm gonna keep him.
Yeah. Well, guys, I said I was done fishing, so I didn't have the camera on. But Ken started catching fish, so I decided to go back at it. Caught this nice little trout here. Yeah, that's a good trout. I can't measure it because I lost it out of the boat, but it's the biggest one I've caught in a long time out of a kayak. It was probably 16, 17. It just makes it perfect.